No, thank you. I'm just looking.
We already said no thanks.
Why do they keep asking?
Because tourists often feel awkward saying no.
Today, you'll learn how to politely reject unwanted street sales in English.
Without sounding rude, scared, or uncomfortable.
Wow, this market is huge.
Yeah, but be careful. Some vendors can be very persistent.
What should I say if I don't want to buy something?
Keep it short and polite.
Oh,
Just relax.
no thank you. He's still following us.
Try this instead. No thanks, we're not interested.
What's the difference between polite and assertive?
Polite means respectful. Assertive means confident and direct.
So I shouldn't sound scared?
Exactly. Maybe later? Say, no thanks. Maybe another time.
Oh no, he already put it in my hand.
Don't panic. Just give it back politely.
No, thank you. I don't want it. Please stop asking. What if they get angry?
Most vendors will stop if you stay calm and confident.
So I shouldn't argue?
Exactly. Don't argue. Just repeat your answer.
No thanks.
Perfect.
Oh, there are so many people trying to sell things.
That's normal in tourist areas.
One person said, "Special price for you."
They say that to everyone.
So what should I reply?
Just smile and say, no thank you. We're just sightseeing.
He's still walking behind us.
Don't argue. Just keep walking.
No thanks.
We said no. Have a nice day.
That actually worked.
Confidence changes everything.
I feel less nervous now.
Good. Travelers need confidence.
That situation looks suspicious. Sometimes distractions are part of scams. So tourists should stay aware? Exactly. Be polite, but protect yourself. What if I actually want to look at something? Then you can say, I'm just browsing. I'm just browsing. Perfect. He keeps lowering the price. That's another common sales tactic. So I should still say no? If you're not interested, yes.
This coffee break feels nice.
You survived the market.
Barely. Even here?
It happens everywhere in tourist areas.
No, thank you. We're fine.
See? That sounded natural.
I used to feel guilty saying no.
A lot of tourists feel that way.
But now I understand it's okay.
Exactly. Being polite doesn't mean saying yes to everything.
This place looks beautiful at night.
Yeah, Night markets are fun when you stay confident.
No, thank you. We're not interested. Please stop asking. We're just sightseeing. Have a nice day. Mini quiz time! What does overwhelmed mean? These magnets are actually cute. You said you wouldn't buy anything. Only if the seller doesn't chase me. No thanks, we're just looking. I think I'm getting better at this.
You definitely are.
At first, I felt nervous every time someone approached me.
That's normal for many travelers.
He keeps shouting at us.
Just avoid eye contact and keep walking.
Should I ignore him completely?
If he's too aggressive, yes.
I used to stop because I didn't want to seem rude.
But stopping often encourages more pressure.
That makes sense. One seller tried to sell me 5 hats at once.
That's actually impressive.
The food smells amazing here.
Street food is usually worth trying.
At least food vendors are less pushy.
Usually.
What if they offer free samples?
You can still politely refuse.
No, thank you. Maybe later.
Perfect tone.
There's so much noise everywhere.
Busy markets can feel overwhelming.
But I'm staying calmer now. That's good travel confidence. At least the music is nice.
See? Now you can enjoy the experience instead of stressing.
What's the best way to say no politely?
Smile, speak clearly, and keep moving.
So body language matters too?
Absolutely. Maybe. No, thank you.
That sounds much more confident. I think tourists get overwhelmed because everything happens so fast.
Exactly. Noise, crowds, pressure, and unfamiliar places.
One seller called me his best friend after 10 seconds.
And 5 seconds later, he probably said that to another tourist.
I survived my first tourist market.
And your English improved too.
My favorite phrase is probably, "No thank you, we're just sightseeing."
That's a perfect tourist phrase.
Now I understand that being polite and being assertive can happen together.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't mean being rude.
Okay, everyone, final mini quiz time.
Listen carefully and answer in the comments.
Question 1. What should you say if you do not want to buy something?
A. Leave me alone. B. No thank you. C. Go away.
Type A, B, or C in the comments.
Question 2. What does overwhelmed mean? A. Feeling relaxed. B. Feeling stressed because too much is happening. C. Feeling sleepy.
Comment your answer below. Question 3. Which sentence sounds more assertive? A,
Maybe later. B. No thanks. We're just sightseeing. This one is easy.
Bonus question. What phrase will you use on your next trip?
Write your favorite English phrase in the comments.
Great job practicing English with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.